Good morning. We're now in the second week of class, and I hope you're having a great beginning to the semester. This week we're talking about liberty and equality, which are both simple and difficult ideas. If you ask people if they know what liberty or equality is, they will generally have an idea of each term. The problem we have in American government is that each of our definitions of these two ideas are likely different, but we think that everyone has the same definition. In other words, these ideas are abstract, and each person holds their own definition. This makes it difficult to agree on what these terms mean. If I ask you what a table is, we can all basically agree on what are the characteristics of a table. They have four legs, they have a flat surface, they're used to hold things. But if I ask you about an abstract idea like liberty or equality, then it becomes much more difficult because we can't point to say something and say, oh, that's liberty or oh, that's equality. One of the questions we deal with in American government is if government should help to preserve some degree of equality for their citizens. Is it government's job to ensure equality among citizens, or is it not government's job? Some people will say it is government's job, some people won't. Aside from individual opinions, the government itself has to ask how much equality they should ensure. For example, if the government overemphasizes equality, will it infringe on liberty? As an example, governments can try to force equality by taxing rich citizens more than the poor, but if the policies go too far, will it restrict the individual's freedom to strive for economic success? Would you want to make more money if you knew that it would be taxed more heavily? It's important to balance these ideas about liberty and equality for both the institution and the population, and many of our disagreements stem from these conflicts. These are big questions, and I want you to keep these ideas in mind as you read the material for this week and complete the assignments. Be sure to email me with any questions, and have a great week.